Can you draw an A like me? Start on the line. Up, back around, touch the line, straight up, back down, and out. Can you draw a B like me? Straight up, back down, around, and out. Can you draw a C like me? Can you draw a D like me? Straight up, back down, and out. Can you draw an E like me? Around and out. Can you draw an F like me? Back down, past the line, around and out. Can you draw a G like me? Back around, straight up, back down, past the line, around and out. Can you draw an H like me? Straight up, back down, to the middle, around and tail out. Can you draw a K like me? Straight up, back down, to the middle, around and out. Can you draw an L like me? Straight up, back down and out. Can you draw an M like me? Back up again, and out. Can you draw an N like me? Start on the line, up, down, back up, and tail out. Can you draw an O like me? Back around, high five at the top, and out. Can you draw a P like me? Start on the line, up, back down past the line, back up, around, touch the line, and out. Can you draw a Q like me? Around, straight up, past the line. Can you draw an R like me? Back up and out. Can you draw an S like me? Start on the line, go up, around and out. Can you draw a T like me? Start on the line, up, back down, out and cross. Can you draw an U like me? And back down and tail out. Can you draw a V like me? And tail out. Can you draw a W like me? Touch the line, back down, touch the line and out. Can you draw a X like me? Take the pen off, cross and out. Can you draw a Y like me? Up and up again, straight down past the line, around and out. Can you write a Z like me? Flat top, past the line, around and out.